Hello everyone, this is Ahmed done. Today in this video I'll show you how this tiny gadget can easily save your laptop's USB-C port, which is easy to get damaged or prone to get damaged due to uses. Now this is called a magnetic USB-C connector. So this is what you're looking at. These two, they're magnetic. So let me just show you something very fun. So if you just take it closer, you're going to see that this is going to pull, and that's the purpose of it. So it has two separate parts. For example, one is right here, which is going to stick to your laptop or cell phone or any device you want to protect USB-C port. So for example, for this mini laptop, I'm just going to put it in here, which is the USB-C port. Okay, so you can see that it's in there. Now the other part, which is right here, you have to attach it to the other side of the cable or HDMI port or anything you want to connect it to your laptop. So for example, for this one, I'm just going to right here. Now each time you are switching back and forth or disconnecting your USB-C port, you have to just kind of take it close, and it's going to get connected because it has very strong magnetic cable attachment. Now you can see that there's even a small tiny US LED light, and you can see that it's connecting. So let's say you want to just take it out, instead of putting it back and forth into the USB-C cable, you can just do it like this, and it comes off easily. So that makes the USB-C port of your laptop or smartphone or any device untouched, because it's just going to stay there and keep it attached. So it's not going to be damaged like regular use, where you have to just take it out and back and forth from your device's USB-C port. Now I don't do affiliated review or paid reviews, so I don't provide any affiliated links, but you can easily find these by searching for these on any online retailers or Amazon. So magnetic USB-C connector. Whenever you're buying this, just make sure that it meets these specs. For example, 140 watt, 40 GB per second speed, and 8K capability for video transfer or video file transferring to the video transfer to the monitor, and then 24 pin. So as long as you have these or above these, then it should be fine. And you can buy this from $10 to $20, so it's very inexpensive, but in the long run they can save your devices. Because I have another laptop where the USB-C port almost got damaged now, and it's kind of moving, and I wish I had known this tiny gadget before, so I didn't have to go through the damaging my USB-C port.